What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so guys, I'm on Wi-Fi. I have my Ethernet plugged in here, but it's still on Wi-Fi, so, I hope we don't get disconnected today. Maybe I need a new Ethernet cable. It wasn't working Friday either, so. Yeah, I'm on Wi-Fi, not Ethernet, so hopefully, connection is cool. But, we're gonna roll with it. Alright, guys. What up, everyone? What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Alright, so today is Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Monday, July 17th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we are doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. Where's my... There it is. Yep, all major indexes in the green here. Pretty good day. I haven't seen the watch list specifically, but looks like a pretty bullish day. At least slightly bullish. Slightly bullish to bullish. So, yeah, even myself as a rainbow bear in the green today. I should be now. Let me double check. Yeah, pulled back, but I am in the green today, so that's cool. Plenty of tendies to go around today, and hope you guys made some fat tendies as well. Alright, so, yeah, Tendytown. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. And we're back at it. So, honestly, guys... Hold on, let me do some live rainbow bearing real quick. Let me do a scan. So, honestly, today should be a pretty short show. There's really not too much to cover at all. Let's, do some live rainbow bearing real quick. So, I see here WLMS. That is... something there. 38... Alright, so I'm gonna... Let me see this. WLMS. So there was, EUDA, but that already pulled back. But now WLMS. Alright, put in the order for 54 here. 54 cents. Don't really expect it to, hit, but sure. Alright, order in for 54 cents, WLMS. It's actually up to 42 now, so may actually get there, to be honest. Pulling back now. Now it's pulling back pretty hard, but we do have some action there. Only action, WLMS and EUDA, but both of those are already pulling back. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on those. Alright. Cool. Back to the intro. Can you look at Carvana and Upstart, Ty? Sure, dude. Probably not gonna be too much different from what I've been saying all along. I don't even remember what I said, to be honest, but I remember we looked at those last week, and like I said, those are not pump and dumps. Like those are probably slow bleeds. So sure, we'll look at them, but probably not much has changed, All right. We do have something else here. Very low float. Where'd it go? I just saw it. Where'd it go? SLRX. So not much action here. But this one... Very low float, so you gotta be quick with this one if it does move. 117... So 164, I'll put it in order here. Alright, so it looks like EUDA, WLMS, even SLRX they've all pulled back already. That kind of sucks. Oh, nope, ARDS. Alright, so now we're getting some action. ARDS. $45 ARDS going for 45 cents. That's already heavily shorted, but putting in 45 cents there. Okay. So no shares there. So they've already pulled back quite a bit. Yeah, EUDA already down to 2%. WLMS down to 6, SLRX down to 13.5, and ARDS down to 13. So that was some quick price action, but already may be over. But we'll keep these orders in here and come back to this. Anything else? Nope. Alright, let's finish up with the intro here. Alright, what up, Bizzlebub? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Can we look at Love later? Is that Southwest? I think that's Southwest, right? Yeah. Sure. We'll look at that. Alright, guys. So, yes, honestly, not too much planned today. Should be very, very short and chill show. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today, watch list, live rainbow bearing. We have no articles today. Very slow news day. There were some articles, but nothing that important at all. Slow way to start the week. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're gonna do PWM? Yeah, PWM and BBIO. Honestly, PWM had 1,300 mentions, BBIO 700, so really not popular today. I don't think anyone cares too much, but those were some major movements. So I guess we'll quickly do those. And then the stuff for you guys, Carvana, Upstart, Southwest, and then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. We do have 7 YOLOs today, so that should be pretty fun. YOLOs will take up the most part. Should be the best part and take up the most amount of time today for the show. But yeah, really not much planned. It doesn't appear like there's too much price action at the moment, post-market. So, not too much live rainbow bearing. Hopefully that changes. Yeah, TA should be quick. And no news. So, we shouldn't really go more than an hour, but may go 45 minutes if we blow through everything real quick. But yeah, so it should be pretty short and chill show. Chill way to start the week, and yep, very relaxed. Nothing too crazy today, but should have been some pretty easy tendies. I hope so for you guys. Alright, so let's get started here. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Yeah, I don't know what's up with my Ethernet, dude. Well, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, whatever. But might have to get a new Ethernet cord, because this one ain't working anymore. Alright. Cool, let's go, guys. Alright. Boom. Yes, please smash the like button, guys. Please, thank you. Alright. Cool. Let's do another scan here. Do some live rainbow bearing. Yeah, pretty slow. Still nothing really going on. There's a ARDS up 11%, but that's really it. Yeah, EUDA is already done. ARDS and SLRX. Still some movement here, but yeah, pretty slow post market. What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. All right, cool. So we'll come back to this, but yeah, looks like pretty slow post-market action. I mean, Friday and today, just pretty slow all around. Not much, not many plays to go for. I just been unloading my bags, really. Can you please chart PRFX? Sure, dude. And full disclosure, I still am short that stock. Didn't cover just yet. I am up quite a bit, like 1,100. But I did lose 250 on that today. So yeah, we'll look at that. But full disclosure, I am currently short, so maybe a bit biased. All right. HCTI. Yeah. All right, still no action, so let's get started here on my plays. I have water. I have juice. Sorry, guys. Just grabbing my juice here. What up, low roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. All right. So covered that. Alright, so I actually didn't make any new plays today, but dumped a bunch of old ones. Yeah, there really wasn't much to go for today. Alright, so what do we got? So MLTX down 250, BDTX down 120, CNTG up 55, BXRX down 25, SGTX down 30, PLM down 75, NERV up 470, GRRR up 405, PRFX down 240, PTPI down 280, PMN down 115, Nikola broke even there, ELOX, AIMD made a couple hundred there, and PWM covered that for, wow, and I got reshorted, really? Oh, man, well, hold up, PWM. So I covered that at 1060. I actually managed to escape. I literally covered the bottom here, and then it mooned, so, not worth it to go again for just yet, but yeah, wow. I escaped that one. Good cover by me. Alright. Cool. And then, yeah, Nikola Elox I broke even on. So, as of right now, I am up $870 today. Not bad. Not bad at all, considering it was a green day and kind of slow. So, I dumped a lot of bags and finished in the green. I'll take it. Let me clean this up. So yeah, EDTX, still holding that. I'm currently down. Crazy stock here. So it's halted, EDTX. That was popular last week. Rentis, so I'm in at like 38. And it ran to 63. And then it got halted. NASDAQ once more information because it's just it makes no sense. It's a SPAC company, shell company, and it's mooning. So that got halted, and I don't know when it's gonna unhalt, but when it does, that should be mega. So I'm currently down 33.50 there, 3,350, but that honestly should go in the green once it reopens. So that should be like a 5K swing at least. Yeah, anyway, so, yeah, I was holding a bunch of stocks and cleared up a lot of space here today, so still holding 12, I think. But, yeah, dumped a lot of bags, pretty slow, chill day, made some money here. All right, ARDS is up to 19, so that is coming back. All right, Powerball is $900 million tonight. Are you buying one ticket? I got Rick's game, lost $60 today. 900 million, it's getting up there, but I'll buy when it's 1.2 billion. At that point, it becomes profitable, approximately. So, wow. Yeah, it's getting up there, but no, not yet. Almost. I'll probably play the next one if no one wins. And yeah, $60. Go. Sorry, dude. But glad you could make it back here for the show. Appreciate you. All right, guys, please smash the like button if you can, please, and thank you. Let's do another scan and let me finish editing this. Another scan and we'll get onto the watch list here. Mega Millions is 600 million. All right, so they're both pretty big. Yeah, good luck. Life-changing money right there. Anything going on here? Oops. All right, we do have more action. VAPO and FBK. Oh, wrong stock. So, Vapo. Oh, that's mooning. Oh, crap. Hurry up. Hurry up. 56 cents. 57. All right, so VAPO, I'm going for 57 cents here. So that was some wild price action. It spiked real quick. Now it's back down to 1. Yeah, what is going on with that price action there? That was insane. It went to 50 real quick and then spiked back down. I think this is going to run. I don't know. Not financial advice, but, should I go long? No way, no way. Why do I feel like this is going to moon? No news. Well, it already pulled back. So, crazy price action here, but, we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, that's pretty absurd price action on this stock. So, I have the order in for 57. Maybe I'll hit and FBK, we'll keep an eye on that one. ARDS is also coming back here. So, yeah, VAPO and ARDS are the hot stocks right now, post-market. And looks like FBK is also running, but that's value, so we're not going to go for that. But yeah, keep an eye on ARDS and VAPO at the moment. ARDS is up to 28%. But no shares available anymore, so yeah. Alright, well, Yep, looks like Vapo is done VAPO. So it's really ARDS smoothing right here. Oh, I spoke too soon. Man, VAPO is some crazy price action there. Crazy price action. Alright, so I've been ordering for 45 cents on ARDS. So not quite there yet, but hopefully that fills. Can you chart PRFX later when you have a chance? Thanks. Yeah, dude, did you not hear me before? I said sure, but, you know, still in there on the short side, so it might be a little bit biased. As always. Cool. Let's... Alright, let's move on here. So ARDS sitting at... I don't know, it might be both lagging right now. ARDS is at 30% now. This might be done. I don't know. But ARDS, yeah, it looks like it's flagging. Hit 41.5, so hopefully it hits 45. I can get a fill here. Alright, let's get on to the watch list. One last scan, then watch list. Alright, watch list. Cool. Alright, let's do it. So, the Dow Jones up 0.22%. NASDAQ up 0.95%. And SPY up 0.35%. So, pretty bullish day here. VIX is actually up 1.05%. Don't know why. Really should have went down. But up 0.14 points, so we're at 13.48 VIX now, which is still really, really good. So very stable. Markets seem generally bullish, is the trend. All right, let's check it out. Let's take a look at the watch list here. Okay. Sorry, still just keeping an eye on the other stuff here. So it's on the red side. Damn, what happened to Verizon? Down 7.5%. That sucks. And AT&T 6.7%. Ouch. Communications company's getting wrecked here. Ford down 6%. Ouch. Didn't they just have a they just cut their F-150 price? And it goes down. So Disney 3.5, GM 3, so some pretty decent value in the red here. It's pretty bad. Amazon 0.8%, Target, Google, so not many stocks in the red, but some pretty big value stocks. ARDS is up to 32 now percent. And green side, I didn't even see that. BBIG is up 23%. Apes must be happy. So a lot of meme slash growth here. Workhorse, Wish, Palantir, SoFi. But yeah, not much price action. So a lot of stocks in the green, just not much price action. Yeah, so it's generally like 5% to 0% gains here. So yeah, not much price action, but a lot of stocks in the green. So opposite of the red. So not many stocks in the red, but a lot of value. Pretty concentrated. Anyway, so yeah, there's way more stocks in the green, and equals slightly bullish day. So I'll take it. So probably not too many tendies today, but you know, pretty easy tendies. So I hope you guys made some fat ones there. I did pretty decently. Let's do another scan here. ARDS is pulling back now. Uh-oh. Alright, let's get on to crypto. And usually the news, but there's no news today, so just crypto. And then we'll get on to the TA. Yeah, ARDS might be done. Alright, here's crypto. That's down 1.08% today. So, healthy pullback in crypto. It's been on fire and it's been bleeding lately. So, yeah, another, no, not the worst day in crypto, but yeah, that sucks. So, yeah, let's check it out. Bitcoin's at 1.17%, holding 30K approximately. Ether, 2%. XRP 1.35, Binance 0.7, Cardano 1.6. Solana 420. So, whole bunch of red. Don't see much green. Tron's barely in the green. Chainlink, Monero. Let's sort this out. So I guess we'll start on the green side. Biggest gainer is Gala, 7.5%. So not much price action at all. And we'll call it 25% of the coins in the green here. So not many coins in the green. Not much value and not much price action. That would do it. Triple whammy. Red side. So assuming 75% of the coins in the red here. Also not much price action. Biggest loser is Lido DAO. About 10% here. Decent value, I guess. There's Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Litecoin, Compound, not Compound, Polkadot, Ethereum. So, yeah, overall, bearish day today. Not like super bearish, but, bearish day crypto. Continued pullback. ARDS is up to 43. So I may get the fill there soon. Looks like Vapo is done, but ARDS is still going. Alright. So, yeah. Bearish day here in crypto. Good. So, overall, pretty bullish day stock market, bearish day crypto. So, if you had both, should have evened out to about neutral. But, yeah, hope you guys did make some fat tennies today. Hope you guys were, more in the stock. Alright, ARDS is up to 46 now, 47, so it blew past my entry, and I'll take anything above this. It works for me. Alright. Cool. So there's crypto. Bearish day today. Sucks. Go. Can't win them all. Alright, so let me pull up YOLOs now. Alright, and let's do some TA and Rainbow Bearing while that loads. Alright, there it is, ARDS, up 40% now. And that appears the only thing running post-market, so we'll keep an eye on that. Alright, yeah, pulling back here. It's down at 44 now. Alright, so let's do some TA. So today we're going to do PWM. I don't think there's too much to analyze there. And, what's the other one? BBIO. Excuse me. Alright, so here's PWM. Covered this last week. And full disclosure, I may reshort this. I probably should reshort this, actually. Yeah, full disclosure, I'm not currently in this, but I did cover this morning at 1060, and it did move to 17, so definitely grounds for a reshort here. Yeah. Should probably short that. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. I'm putting an order for 16. And order in for 215. Alright, so yeah, I did cover this at 1060, and probably worth the reshort here, so I'm not even sure what my entry was before. Anyway, glad I dodged the bullet there. But yeah, at this point, pulling back post-market, so that's bearish. Gap up at 613, so should pull back there as well. Not many indicators off of the 7 days of trading here. 8 days. But yeah, you know, brand new stock IPO should pull back. I've seen this over and over. This should pull back eventually. Can't say how long it's going to take, but should pull back down to $6 eventually. And it is heavily shorted already, so I do think sooner than later. But yeah, I don't know what happened today. Dead cat bounce. But certainly it doesn't make sense and is still due for some massive pullback. So certainly wouldn't go long. I think short 16, 17 is a good entry, and I'd cover at $6. Very, very fat tennies to the downside here. About like 60% at least. Alright, so yeah, I was short, covered, and trying to reshort here. Then BBIO. So this one mooned today on news. Alright, so this one's a bit unique because clearly it looks very, very bearish, but in reality, I don't actually think it is. But yeah, massive volume today, 47 million volume, RSI's at 87, so very overbought, very overvalued. Double gap up. Gapped up today, 18, again back at, is that 10? 11, so 11. So a good chance it pulls back there. My only concern is, yeah, so it's being backed by the hedge fund. JP Morgan upgraded to 42, and lots of shares available. So, based on the chart, it does look bearish, but in reality, I think it's anyone's best guess. They may the banks, artificially keep this up, and do an offering or something through a couple of months. I've seen it all before. I don't really like, I definitely think you missed the long. I wouldn't go long anymore. And going short appears to be a pretty decent play. Good play, actually, technically. But yeah. Just intuition, I've seen this happen over and over. I really don't think this is a good short. Not that it's a bad short, but I'd just move on. So, yeah, technically looks very bearish. If you want short at your own risk, I certainly wouldn't go long. But I think it's better just to avoid this one and go for better short play. So, you know, I'll keep an eye on this massive moon today, but yeah, I think it's due for some pullback, just a matter of when. Probably a couple of months, honestly. Anyway, yeah, I'd avoid this one on the long side and probably the short side too. But if you had to choose one, I'd say to go short, not financial advice. Alright, so there's that. Alright, so let's do the stuff for you guys now. Carvana. BBIO offers no risk whatsoever. There's never no risk, but, you know, it does look... It looks scary, let's put it that way. I'd stay away from that, either way. Alright. Cool, so Carvana, yeah, so it actually looks like it's bull flagging now, which is absolutely insane. Bull flag developing right there. RSI at 69, nice. MACD to the upside, so bullish, or actually bullish, bearish. Double gap up, bearish, cup and handle. Bearish. Yeah, honestly, dude, I still think, this is due for some massive pullback. But in the immediate short term here, this may break out. This does look like a bull flag, low key. RSI is high, and there's the double gap up and the cup and handle. So those are bearish. There definitely are still more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. But that is scary, bull flag there. So do not be surprised if this does break out to the upside. But based on the technicals, it does look more bearish than bullish. So, yeah, I think this is a case of, you know, how long you can diamond hands. But I would just set a stop loss somewhere, and, you know, you're pretty much stuck bag holding this one at the moment. So that sucks. But yeah, I still believe it's due for some massive pullback. Just, you know, you gotta wait it out, and hopefully you can survive the pump in the meantime. Wait, the volume is coming down, right? Yeah, it is coming down every single day. So that's good. Or it's a good sign. Momentum is cooling down. So, you know, like I said, more bearish indicators than bullish, but could be a bull flag, could break out. Who knows? So, good luck there. All right. Upstart. Wow. Up 13.7. Just keeps on going, huh? This is legitimately a squeeze. So, bull flag, broke out of the bull flag, and there it goes. Maybe bull flagging again. Anyway, so 79 RSI, extremely overbought, overvalued. Gap up all the way back at like 14. Cup and handle. Yeah, so obviously don't buy here. And it does look like a good short technically. RSI gaps are there. Everything. All-time high or yearly high. But this appears to be a value stock, so I personally don't mess with. I don't short value stocks or even like mid-cap stocks. So shorting definitely better than going long here, but you know, honestly, I mean, I wouldn't short this. It's just not volatile enough. Anyway, so it does look like it's due for a pullback. Can't say how low it's gonna go. Maybe 40, 30 range, and then develop a shoulder, head and shoulders, and bearish. I don't know. Anyway, so can't keep running forever. You know, this is getting pretty ridiculous. So short term should be bearish, and longer term, honestly can't say, but yeah, it should be due for some pullback. Just a matter of when, not if. And kept running today. So yeah, don't go long and short this. And if you're not currently in, probably just better to just stay away from it altogether. All right, next one is PFRX or PRFX, and then Southwest. So PRFX, crazy price action here. Went up today 11%. You know, there's really nothing to chart here. This is this is pretty insane. Yeah, I can't really make a prediction on where it's going to go or how low it's going to go. Well, there are supports at 520. I mean, I guess I can kind of. 520, 430. All right, so RSI is at 55. So this is around fair market value, around $8, I would say, $8, $9. It's still heavily shorted. I know this because I'm currently short this stock. So yeah, the shorts are still piling in here. So I do think it's still gonna keep pulling back. Can't say how low it's gonna go, but I'm gonna cover around 540. That's the plan. So yeah, massive pump, massive volume, but totally unjustified. And yeah, it's coming back down to earth now, and good opportunity to short, not financial advice. So not a bad price for going long, $9, but I think it's due for some more pullback. So I personally wait on that. And yeah, I'm gonna say short term, and probably longer term bearish. So if you're still up, I'd probably hit the sell button and cash out now. Secure the gains. On the long side, and decent short here. Not the greatest entry, but pretty decent short. All right, there's that, and last one, Southwest LUV. The thing with LUV is that their EPS was negative 27 Q1, and their Q2 earnings are estimated at 108. I know you say earnings can make it go up or down, but it's just a big jump. It's enticing. Yeah, honestly, dude, don't even. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but just doing this from such a long time, it doesn't matter, dude. It really doesn't matter. The earnings do not matter. You know, it can be enticing. Watch, like, that's gonna. So the estimated at 108. All right, so if it's already estimated at that, you gotta. It's probably already priced in, dude. Like, you're not the only one who thinks this. You know what I mean? It's not that. If it were that easy, you know, everyone would be rich. So a lot of other apes and even professionals probably have the same idea. Like, it's like easy blowout there. But watch, I'm telling you, don't be surprised if the earnings drop and it's blowout earnings and it still goes down because it's already priced in. I'm just saying. So do whatever you want. Don't afford to invest what you can afford to lose. But yeah, personally, I just think you should never pay attention to the earnings. It's not a good indicator of how the stock is going to move, generally speaking. All right, so there's that. At LUV. So what are the earnings? So this is a bear flag right now. Well, actually, it could be either one. Because there is a bull flag this way. But it looks like it's getting rejected. I don't think it's a bull flag. It's a rejected bull flag. It actually looks like a bear flag now. It's bear flagging. So, boom, boom. There's the bear flag. Bam. It's bear flagging. Cup and handle right here. That's bearish. Gap up. 32.50. Bearish. Another gap up here. 39.3. Yeah, double gap up at 30 and 32. Cup and handle, bear flag. RSI is neutral. MACD bearish now. So, yeah, there's not too many bullish indicators here, to be honest, dude. It's looking, based on the chart, the technicals, it looks pretty bearish. Literally, like, no bullish indicators. Just bearish to neutral. So, yeah, dude. If the earnings were not coming out, I would short this I mean, personally, I wouldn't. But if I had to choose long or short, I would say short. And but when the earnings do drop, I would just not even make a play on it, dude. Yeah. Anyway, good luck, man. Hope it works out for you. But like I said, based on experience, earnings really don't even matter. And like I said, by that logic, it's already going to be priced in. So the earnings can drop, it'll be good, and then institutions can't dump it on retail. So there's a lot of shady stuff going on, a lot of factors, a lot of things can happen. Point is, don't be so overconfident. Is my point. All right. Yeah, that's how apes generally get wrecked. Alright, so everything's pulling back here. So I think that's all the TA for today. What time is it? 4:52. So I thought we'd be done earlier, but a lot of people coming in chatting. A lot of TA here. So that's cool. Yeah, pretty slow post-market. Market and post-market. Alright, we'll come back to this one last time, but alright, let's finish up with our YOLOs now. Drink some juice and finish up here. So, yeah, 4:53, we got 7 YOLOs left and we out of here, so probably no more than 15 minutes. Alright, let's do it. So, yep, today we got 7 YOLOs. Pretty good. There were actually a lot of YOLOs today, but I picked out the best ones. There were good content over the weekend. So this should be fun. Let's do it. End the show on a fun note here. ARDS is back up to 45 now. So, come on, give me the fill. Give me the fill. Oh, man. PMN going the wrong way. And PTPI. Okay. Let's do it. First one by Al Strength. 4570. 50K YOLO on net $70 puts expiring Friday, bro. My DD. The price went up 7.2% today. It's done that 3 times last week and immediately followed with a drop of 3 to 4%. It's crazy overvalued stock, and I can see people selling at these levels for a drop in price in the short term. Look at this chart. All right, so thing is, you can buy puts and still lose money if the direction and stock goes down and still lose money because of IV. So it's not really including that into the equation here. Anyway, play is $70 puts. 3. All right, so he said it himself. Nets. All right, so I like the strike. Not a big fan of the expiration, and timing is yet to be seen, but extremely, extremely risky. It does appear more bearish than bullish. There's a triple top and gap up and whatnot, so I mean, I definitely can see the logic here. Just a little too risky for my liking. You probably shouldn't YOLO 50K on an FD like this. A play that expires in 4 or 5 days. And, yeah, DD is not that strong. So, yeah, typical ape stuff here. Hope it works out. If not, he's going to be down 50K. So, good luck, dude. You are going to need it, and please post updates. No matter what happens, it's going to be update. Or epic, my bad. Alright, next one by Al Builder, 4725. PayPal leaps hype train all aboard. All right, so hasn't really done anything just yet, but this was a 150k PayPal, not a YOLO, a leaps. This is how you correctly do, or how I tell you apes you should correctly trade options. Leaps, not FDs. So 150k leaps on PayPal expires January 2025, so about a year and a half. I don't know if I'd put 150k on this, honestly, but it's not, the most risky, so I guess you could justify it. I would never do this. So yeah, PayPal leaps, blue chip value stock leaps. So this is how you make tons of money on options, guys, not FDs. This is the correct way to do it. Oh, I guess there's no correct way, but this is the safer way to do it. More successful way. So, yeah, that would suck if this finished out of the money and you're down 150k. That's why I don't really encourage, doing options or leaps with this amount of money. But Epic YOLO, good luck. Don't have to worry about this for over a year and a half. So, yeah, hope it works out. Good luck. And please post updates no matter what happens. And, yeah, you're going to be a legend no matter what, too. So, cool. All right. Next one by Super Bear Put. I think we reviewed this guy last week. Okay, Carvana 20k FD switching to puts, volume decreasing, 35 strike. Alright, so it seems like they're rerouting more orders to dark pool. I'm not liking how little volume there is. Therefore opened up some $35 FD puts, plan to close once I hit my strike. Still bullish, but think it can short squeeze. Alright, so he's trying to go Chad mode and trade both sides here. So he averaged down, and this is now a 27k YOLO. Alright, so what the play was... When does this expire? The 21st? So Friday. So 20k, averaged down to 27k, averaged down to... I don't even know what he averaged down to. And now we averaged down again to 37k. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. It's probably why you shouldn't play both sides. Stuff like this ends up happening. So, $35 strike expires Friday. Yeah, so if this continues to bull flag and moon, which it very well could, he's totally effed. And he's going to be down 37k. So, yeah, good and not looking too great. So, he's in a bit of trouble here. 4 days to go. Hope it works out, dude. Yeah, if this goes in the green, I'd probably just, hit the sell button. Be lucky that you're able to escape here. So, yeah, pretty risky stuff. It's going bad and not looking too great. So, sucks, dude. But Epic YOLO, good luck to you. Please post an update this week or on Friday when it's over. Cool. 4 more. Next one by Dark Passenger, 16k in 5 minutes. So straight up here, NVIDIA put. So 44k YOLO. That's insane. He YOLO'd 44k on options day trading. 44k YOLO made 16k, and yep, that is 37% in 5 minutes. So yeah, you guys probably shouldn't do this. I mean, I'm glad he made 16k in 5 minutes, but not typical at all and extremely risky. He could have easily lost 44k. So, yeah, this is the dangerous part of Wall Street bets, when you see this and you're like, oh, I can do this too. When in reality, most people get wrecked. But yeah, glad it worked out. Glad you hit the sell button. And be smart. Moving on. That's all I'll say. Make smart decisions. But congrats, enjoy. All right, next one by I don't like paying taxes. Who does? Well, I'm back to even. So he lost 80K last year, and he's up around 70K this year. I didn't know there were this many slides. All right. Well, yeah, all time. So in the past year, he's up 41%. This year, he's up 53%. And all time, he's up 0.1%. So, most losses were on tech leaps. All gains this year were on huge amounts of QQQ. So, yeah, even leaps don't work when you're in a bear market. So I'm glad he was able to dig himself out of the hole, but probably more luck than anything, to be honest. I wonder if this is truly sustainable if he continues to do this. Can he make profit? Probably not. So yeah, dude. I'm glad you made your money back, but at this point, 200K, that's 185K, a lot of money. You probably just put that in stocks, not FDs, and secure your future. That'd be probably a smart thing to do, right? Obviously, to me. Oop. All right, so yeah, dude, congrats to you. Glad you made your money back, but yeah, make smart decisions. You should probably go with stock instead of FDs from now on. Cool. All right, two more by Tazarade. 90K lost corn. Yeah, 90K, 91K all time, down 75%. Go. Trader for 5 years now, mainly trade Forex. I started trading stocks because of my buddy back in 2020. Bouncing back now, I got the hang of it, but now here is some lost corn. Ow. Is he really a trader? Is he a trader or a trader? Right? So he's up 25K this year. That's just not sustainable. Like, you don't make 455% in a year. That's not sustainable. This is yeah, I doubt he's a real trader. He likes to call himself a trader, but really just an ape. Yeah, I don't think traders lose 90K all time. That's crazy. So wannabe trader here, showing off his lost corn. So appreciate that, dude. But yeah, trader. Huh, how funny. All right. Sorry for your loss, but good luck to you. And last one by Before Poor Now Rich. A lot of awards here. I've been trading since 2016, 7 years in the making, and these are my results. 7 years in the making, and he's down $89,000. All right. All right. Sorry, guys. Just checking my text. All right. So I specifically traded and held stocks for many years, then bought SPY puts at the end of C19 pandemic drop. All right, so he wasn't a regard, and then he went full regard. Then I started over a few years later, no options trading and recovering some of my money. All right, so he was an investor turned ape, recovering ape now. Nice. So this is what happens when you trade options, guys. Like, seriously. I don't know why you guys keep doing it. Very few win. And, this is the reality of it most of the time. So, sucks, dude, but I'm glad you're honest. And, yeah, epic lost corn. So, at least you're famous. So, yeah. Sucks, dude. But you'll be alright. Seem to be in good spirits. So, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you, man. Alright. So, that is the YOLOs. Time is at 5:06, so... Yeah, that's pretty much the show. Let's do one more scan. ARDS up to 47 now. Hope I get filled there. Oh, no, screen up. Cool. Alright, last scan. There's ARDS. I think that's it. ARDS. That's literally, literally the only thing moving. And FBK, but that's a value stock, so don't really care about that. Alright, so pay attention to ARDS, guys. That is moving quite a bit post-market. Other than that, yeah, I think that's the show. Not much else going on. Cool. Alright, so that is the show for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Went a lot longer. Let's kick something. Went a lot longer than I expected. Not really too much content to go over, but a lot of people came in chatting, and the live rainbow bearing picked up, so we finished hour 10 minutes here. Cool. So still pretty short show, but yeah. Thank you guys for joining me today, especially on a Monday. So hope you guys made some fat tennies today. We're back at it tomorrow. Let's get these tennies tomorrow. If anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord. Any plays that come up, and if not, I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow on Discord and live. Alright, cool. So that's it, guys. Appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.